Now let me ask you something. Have you ever had a story so good, so interesting, so heartfelt to the point where you feel like, wow, people need to hear this? What if I told you that there's a website that's not just willing to hear your story, but are hell-bent at paying you for it? Will you believe me? Well, it may sound unbelievable, but trust me, this is 100% legit. And it can be the easiest way you ever made money online. Forget long, boring surveys or spending hours clicking ads. If you can write, even just a little, and have a story to tell, this can be your golden ticket. Now in this video, I'm going to spill all the details. What is this mysterious platform? How does it work? And most importantly, how can you start cashing out through this platform? Simply by sharing your personal experience, life lessons, the funniest thing that ever happened to you, or even just a random story you can come up with. Now grab a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to turn your words into a passive stream of income. So let's get started. I will guide you on setting up an account on this platform, followed by tips on generating fresh stories you can publish. Then I will show you exactly how to promote your link to attract readers, and finally how to withdraw your earnings. So staying with me from start to finish is very crucial as I take you through the entire process. An exciting aspect is that you can do all this using your mobile phone. This tutorial will be step by step, as usual, leaving no details out. Now let's jump right on the website. If you visit the website right now, you will see the kind of stories others have already published. For instance, this one was posted about 121 hours ago, another one 3 days ago, and others just a few hours or days back. By the end of this video, you will be publishing your own stories just like these people, and also earning money as people read them. The first step is to click on Become a Creator, which I'll walk you through in detail as we go along. To get started, carefully follow each step as I demonstrate, so you can achieve the same exact result, if not better, than what I've also achieved. Click on Become a Creator, then enter your name and email, then create a password. You can also sign up using Facebook, Twitter, mobile number, or Apple. I'll be using my email here to sign up. After submitting, you will receive a verification email. Once you confirm it, your account will be ready. When you log in and check your wallet, you will see a balance of $0.0 since no earnings have been made yet. This page will show you earnings, tips, and payout option as you start publishing content. Now let's make some money on this platform. Click on Create to start publishing story. At this point, the question is, what should you publish? This website has submission guidelines, advising creators to submit original, engaging content and use high quality images to optimize them. I'm talking about images without watermark, copyright, or just any issue. They don't allow nudity, violence, or hate speech. Be sure to respect intellectual property. That's very, very important, because all submissions are reviewed before going live. So to create your story, you will need a title, a subtitle, and an image. For inspiration, we'll be using ChatGPT, and as you already know, it's an AI that can generate any kind of story you want to tell. So if you don't even have a personal story, trust me, you can definitely come up with something. Log into ChatGPT or sign up if you are new. Once logged in, you can ask it to generate emotional story topics around themes like climate and environment. Next, go to Google Trends to see what's currently popular. Let's say we choose to write about climate and the environment. Type emotional story topics about climate and environment into ChatGPT, and it will provide some topics. Select one and ask ChatGPT to write a 1,000-word story based on it. ChatGPT will handle the writing for you. Just wait for it to complete the draft. When the story is ready, copy it and paste it into the story section on the publishing platform. Add the title and subtitle, then enhance the content with image. You can use your own photos or search Unsplash for relevant copyright-free images. Once your story is complete, review it to correct any AI-generated errors and add a personal touch to enhance its readability and human connection. And just like that, you've created your first publishable story. Next, I'll show you how to share it, gain readers, and increase your earnings. Now, before we move on, if you find this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and make sure you ring the notification bell to ensure you stay updated for more blockbusters like this. Now, the next step is to save your story by clicking Save Changes and then hitting the Submit. Once you submit, the platform moderator will review your story for approval. If everything meets the guidelines, it should be approved shortly. So I will go ahead and select select submit for review. Now, as part of the submission, you will choose a category. There are various options such as education, art, and others. Let's say we categorize it under environment or nature. Ensure your story meets the word count requirement, which is minimum of 600 words. If it's slightly short, go back and add a few more words. I asked ChatGPT to generate additional content focusing on individual and government responsibility toward climate change. Once done, copy it, paste it into your story, save changes, and resubmit. To further optimize your story, add relevant tags like climate, sustainability, nature, and advocacy before final submission. Now, after submitting it for review, I will demonstrate how to promote your story once it is published. When your story is live, you will get an email confirmation which includes a link to view and share it. You can promote it on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or even your WhatsApp status to maximize exposure. Share the link with friends and encourage them to read it. Each read contributes to your earning. So the more people you engage, the more higher your income. They don't necessarily need to read it in full. Just spending time on the page generates income for you. The platform also ranks stories on Google, allowing organic readers to find your content, which means passive income even when you are not actively promoting it. Publish as many stories as possible and keep promoting it. Aside from sharing with family and friends, there are other reliable traffic sources that will guarantee tons of readers for you. The video that just appeared next to me will show you exactly how to get those traffic sources. Ensure you check it out. Whatever you do, never stop making money.